As you listen to this, 85 million jobs are being eliminated globally by 2025. That's not a prediction. That's happening now. Picture your office, your workspace, your daily routine. Now imagine half of those desks empty by next year. 30 of US workers fear their job will be replaced by AI or similar technology by 2025. But here's what they don't tell you: the fear isn't the worst part. It's the speed. This isn't just about robots on factory floors anymore. 41 of employers worldwide intend to reduce their workforce in the next 5 years due to AI automation. Your job, your career, your entire industry could vanish faster than you can update your resume. The window to prepare is closing. Every day you wait, AI gets smarter. Every algorithm update makes human workers more expendable. Here's how the machine takeover actually works. Imagine your brain as a neural network. Billions of connections firing simultaneously, processing information, making decisions. Now scale that up by millions. That's artificial intelligence. But unlike your brain, AI never gets tired. Never takes breaks, never demands a raise. Large language models like GPT process text by breaking it into tokens. Picture each word as a puzzle piece. The AI examines millions of these pieces, finding patterns you never noticed. It learns that customer complaint usually follows certain phrases. That legal documents have predictable structures. That medical diagnoses follow logical pathways. Machine learning algorithms consume data like a black hole consumes light. They analyze thousands of customer service conversations, learning every possible response. They study millions of financial transactions, detecting patterns faster than any human analyst. They examine countless legal cases, identifying precedents in seconds. Computer vision systems see the world through mathematical coordinates. Every pixel becomes a number. Every image transforms into data points. AI can now diagnose cancer from X-rays with 94% accuracy. It can identify manufacturing defects invisible to human eyes. It can read handwritten documents from centuries ago. The training process happens in massive data centers. Thousands of powerful processors work in parallel, running calculations 24 hours a day. Picture a library the size of Manhattan, but instead of books, it contains every conversation, every document, every transaction ever digitized. That's what AI learns from. But here's the controversial part: nearly 50 million US jobs are at risk in coming years. The companies developing this technology claim it will augment human capabilities. They say it will free us from mundane tasks. They promise new opportunities will emerge, but they're not telling you about the transition period. The years when old jobs disappear faster than new ones appear. Translators, historians, and writers are among the roles with the highest AI applicability score. These aren't blue-collar factory jobs. These are knowledge workers with college degrees. Data entry clerks and processors are among the most vulnerable to AI automation. But so are customer service representatives, telemarketing staff, and basic financial analysts. The ethical dilemma cuts deeper than job losses. Should companies be required to retrain displaced workers? Should there be a universal basic income when AI eliminates millions of jobs? Who's responsible when an AI system makes a mistake that a human would never make? When a medical AI misdiagnoses a patient, who gets sued? When an AI trader crashes the stock market, who goes to prison? Some argue that previous technological revolutions created more jobs than they destroyed. The printing press eliminated scribes but created publishers. The automobile killed buggy whip manufacturers but created auto workers. But AI is different. It doesn't just automate physical tasks. It replicates human thinking. Here's what society looks like when AI reaches full capability. Picture cities where delivery trucks drive themselves. Warehouses run by robots that never sleep. Hospitals where AI diagnoses patients before doctors even arrive. Legal firms where algorithms review contracts faster than entire teams of lawyers. 97 million new roles will simultaneously emerge, according to research. But these aren't the same jobs. They require different skills. Advanced technical knowledge. Creativity that AI can't replicate. Emotional intelligence that machines lack. Human connection that algorithms can't fake. The new economy divides into 3 categories: jobs that complement AI, jobs that compete with AI, and jobs that create AI. Those who complement AI become irreplaceable. They use artificial intelligence as a tool, multiplying their capabilities. Those who compete get replaced. Those who create AI control the future. Education systems must evolve or become obsolete. Traditional degrees become worthless when AI can perform the same tasks faster and cheaper. New skills emerge: prompt engineering, AI training, human-machine collaboration. The ability to work alongside artificial intelligence becomes more valuable than any college degree. Entire industries transform overnight. Journalism shifts from reporting facts to providing context AI can't understand. Medicine moves from diagnosis to compassionate care. Teaching evolves from information delivery to inspiring human potential. Law transitions from document review to strategic thinking. The timeline accelerates exponentially. AI will replace as many as 2 million manufacturing workers by 2025. By 2030, at least 14 of employees globally could need to change their careers due to digitization. That's not decades away. That's your working lifetime. But here's the hidden opportunity: occupations requiring physical work, direct human interaction, or operating machinery had the lowest AI applicability scores. Electricians, plumbers, therapists, nurses, construction workers, child care providers. These jobs resist automation because they require human presence, empathy, and complex problem-solving in unpredictable environments. The survivors adapt quickly. They learn to leverage AI instead of fighting it. They develop skills that complement artificial intelligence. They focus on uniquely human capabilities: creativity, emotional intelligence, ethical reasoning, complex relationship building. The job apocalypse isn't coming. It's here. The question isn't whether AI will replace your job. The question is whether you'll evolve fast enough to stay relevant. Every day you postpone preparation, the gap widens. Every skill you don't develop makes you more expendable. The future belongs to humans who understand AI, not humans who fear it. Those who adapt will thrive. Those who resist will become obsolete. The choice is yours, but the clock is ticking. Subscribe to VoidViz to decode tomorrow's tech.